What's up, community members? Quick hack for you here today, and this is getting your customers to opt into your email list so they can be in the know for new products, or you can send them a discount at some point. Adding people to your email list is like having gold. You can add likes on Facebook or add Instagram followers, but if something happens to that algorithm or your channel gets shut down for some odd reason, you lose your connection to everyone. So my biggest tip of advice is always be building your email list. Treat it like gold. It is your direct access to warm leads, people that are interested in you, people that offered up their email address to be in the know with you, to hear more from you, all that good stuff. Or, even better, that they had already purchased from you and you can sell to them again once they love your product or your service or whatever they purchased from you. So to add someone into your email list from the shop experience and in the checkout process, you first want to make a list. So under marketing here, under email campaigns, what you're going to do is you're going to create a new list. So under here, you're going to go to lists and you're going to add, and this is where you're going to name the list. So you can name it, let's do purchasers. We're going to hit save. We're going to go back. And we are going to start in commerce here. So as you go through here, when you set up your commerce site, maybe it's set up already, maybe it's not, you really want to go through every single one of these to make sure that they're all set up thoroughly. We have another training video on this, how to set up your shop and go live. But for this specific example, under checkout, you're going to scroll down here to mailing list. So allow customers to subscribe to a mailing list at checkout. This is where it is. You're going to click connect, and we only have one list, so it's purchasers. It's here. You can change the label if you want to. I like to put checked by default. You can allow someone to check it if they want. They can always uncheck, which is fine. And then you're going to hit save. And that's it. So during their checkout process, they will see the option to either opt in or opt out. And when you go back to hit them with an email or a discount or something new in your shop, you're going to go back into that marketing under email campaigns. And that is where you're going to create a blast or an automation of some sort to either, if you do an automation, you can thank them, have a word from the owner or the founder thanking them for their purchase and what that means to you, or some sort of a follow-up or a discount for the next purchase, or you can hit them with a blast at any point, every month, every couple weeks, whatever that looks like for you. That is where you're going to create that.